Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Benji Chodoro at welcome po sa first day of the month, August 2023 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 146 days na lang Pasko na. Ang ating special feature ay tungkol po sa Meralco. Pero unahin po natin ang ating headlines. Matatagpuan po ito sa Daily Digest ng BDOsec. SIM reactivation surges after July 25 deadline. MER core profits rise 42% in the first half of 2023. BDO net income surged 47% year-on-year in the first half of 2023. So pareho po silang kumita, no? At ito po yung ating main news, no? MER. RCBC contemplates sale of 15% share to Sumitomo. And tingnan na po natin ang ating main news. Ito po ay galing sa Business World. Pero tingnan po natin ang summary from BDOsec. Ito po yung kanilang equity research. Manila Electric Company, another good quarter. Generation business accelerates profit growth. First half 23 profits exceeded expectations. So, yung core profits po ay umakyat ng 12.2% and 36.1% year-on-year to 10.2 billion in the second quarter, which propelled first half core profits to 19.2 billion, up 42.2%. Commercial and residential segments boost energy sales in the second quarter. MGen maintains growth momentum from enhanced margins, raise target price to 438 and maintain buy. So 429 po dati, ngayon po ay 438, and with a closing price of 356 yesterday, meron pong implied upside of 23%. So yan po si MER. And ito po yung kanyang chart. Pero tignan po muna natin, before we go to the charts, let's check on the PSE index. It ended flat. So 2.33 points lamang ang akyat niya at nasa 6593.80, just still moving sideways. So if we will be drawing, I think I drew this before na Darvas box. Yan po yung pinaka movement ni PSE index with support at the 6550 level and the resistance at 6700 level. Very near to what the analyst predict, yung support and resistance niya, kasi 6750 po yung prediction or tansya ng mga analyst, and support and resistance, di po yan exact points, areas po siya. So sa ating market activity naman, ang ating all share index ay flat din, down 0.02%. Samantalang ang sectoral indices, financials and services lamang ang bumaba. Samantalang holding companies, industrials, mining at properties ay umakyat. So medyo nagbabalanse lang po sila. Ang most active stock is Ali, followed by BDO, ICT, BPI, and SMPH. So Ali nasa 2810 na po. Pero tignan po natin ngayon ang inyong request. Meron po dito si Winbar. Salamat po Sir Bench sa review ng SHLPH at SGP. Nagdidip pa kaya sila? Get well soon, Mari. Stay strong. Naku, salamat po Winbar. Maraming po salamat sa inyong mga prayers at maraming din salamat Winbar. Jonathan Atienza, good day. Pwede po bang pa-review ng FMETF? Okay ba mag-invest dito? Thank you po. Sige po, tingnan po natin. FMETF, wala po akong information dyan, So, invest at your own risk. But since nasa PSE yan, I suppose it's a good stock. Pero wala po akong information. Ito yung Meter Camtech Good PM. Request naman ng MBT. Sige po. So I suppose this is the ETF of First Metro Investment. Ano? Nipin natin. FMETF. Okay, just moving sideways. So ito po yung First Metro Philippine Equity Exchange Traded Fund. So this is probably a pool of funds, no? FMETF. Pero wala po akong information yan. Tingnan po natin kung makakuha tayo. Check lang po natin kung meron po tayong makukuha dito. Ito. Meron dito. Teka, let me just put that up, ha. Okay. Yun na. And then, ang sabi niya po dito, First Metro Philippine Equity Trade Exchange Traded Fund was incorporated in January 2013 as an open-ended investment company. The fund is engaged primarily in investors of investing or investing. So it's a fund redeeming its shares of stock in creation of units in exchange for a basket of securities representing an index. The fund is wholly owned subsidiary First Metro Invest. So, maganda po ito. So, merong pangalan, ano? The fund aims to provide returns which would reflect the performance of the Philippines equities market by investing in the baskets of securities which are included in the PSE index. Okay. So, index fund pala ito. The portfolio of the fund is to be rebalanced and constituted every 6 months in order to adjust to the current composition of TSEI, acts as the fund manager and principal distributor. So, all you have to do, let's go back to your question. All you have to do, Jonathan Atienza, is take a look at the index. Kasi it mimics the index. Tignan nyo yung FMETF and the PSE index. So, halos pareho siya. Pareho yung movement niya because ang composition ng fund is what composes the index. Yan po. So, halimbawa, tagalin natin to. And we go to, so halimbawa ito, punta tayo dito. FMETF. F. Yan. Yan, no? Pareho siya. So, if you are, this is weekly kasi, 1 day. Oh, yan. And this one is also 1 day. So, if you will do, so, pareho yung movement niya. So, it mimics the PSE index actually. So, lagyan natin ng, say, indicator. Indicator din to. Yan, no? Parehong pareho. So, in other words, 53.06, 53.59. So, nasa ano lang siya, points lang po ang diferensya niya. But in essence, the movement of the movement of FMETF, since it is an index fund, is the same as the PSE index. Yan po. Although FMETF is just on a smaller scale, mas maliit po yung value na meron siya. Pero it is proportional to the index. Yan po. So, tingnan niyo lang po kung ano sinasabi ng analyst. Kung sideways po ang galaw ng index, sideways din po ang First Metro Pacific. Kung sinabi po ng ating mga indicators na, uy, paakyat yan, paakyat din po yung FMETF. Ganun lang po yan kasimple. So, kung babalikan po natin ang PSE index, yan, ano? It's moving at this range, and kung titingnan po natin si FMETF, yan din, moving at that range din, ano? So, if we will draw, kasi hindi po nila ma-exacto, but more or less, that is the movement, ano? Yan. And kung titignan nyo po yung ETF, yan, halos pareho lang siya ang movement niya. And then the index, ganyan din. No? Iba nga lang yung numbers, ano? Kasi FMETF is a smaller scale. Yan. Okay. So its support is here at tagalin natin to 99 or 100, and resistance is here at 104. Pero yung direction po niya kapareho ng direction ng index. So FMETF is a good fund dahil may pangalan po si First Metro Investment, First Metro Philippine Equity Exchange. Okay, next we have MBT. Okay, MBT, paakyat po siya ha. So let's draw yan. So it's kind of dipping, nag-dip po siya dito. Let's draw a line here, horizontal ray. Yan po yung pinaka-support niya, nasa 53 po. Pero ang pinaka-resistance nandito po. Yan, nasa 60.36. So more or less, ganyan po ang kanyang support and resistance. And we'll take a look at Metro Bank. There is a buy rating with a target price of 77 or a 28.3% upside lang. So yan po si Metro Bank at may earnings report ay wala pa. Pero si BDO meron na po. At saka there's another bank, BPI, meron na. So maganda po ang earnings ng mga bangko ngayon dahil po nagre-recover po ang economy and there's lesser defaults on the loans. Kasi ang bread and butter po ng mga bangko is lending. Lending po siya. So when you lend at a certain rate, pero yung funding mo is you get it at a lower rate, diba? So yung funding mo usually comes from deposits na ang binabayad mo lang as interest expense is, say, example lang po, is say 3% or 2%. Pero ang lending rate mo nasa 7 or 8%, diba? So ang kita mo dyan is mga 6%. Yan po yung spread. So yung lending rate minus your funding rate equals your spread. So yan po si MBT. And next we have Ali, the most active stock. Yan, umaakyat si Ali ha. Umaakyat po siya. And right now, it is moving upwards. On the short term, let's draw a parallel channel. Ito. Tagalin natin to. Yan o, paakyat po si Ali. Yan, ganyan ang movement niya. So, on the short term from June 20 up to August 3, so that's about 2 months, or 2.5 months, there is an upward movement on Ali. So, right now, if we will place our indicators here, bullish na po siya, kasi under the candlestick na po yung ating mga indicators dyan. So, ito po. Yan yung indicator po natin dyan. And it has reached overbought levels, although meron po siyang momentum Nasa ilalim po siya kasi. So, kung support and resistance po ang pag-uusapan natin, support is here at nasa 25 and resistance is here at 28. Yan. More or less. Yan po ang movement niya. Finally, we have MER. Yun, paakyat si MER, ha? So, yan, lagyan natin yan. Yun, a good indicator, yung black line po, Kasi ang meron na po siyang cross dito, Dito siya nag-cross, sa area to. So, the moment na nag-cross, unti-unti po siyang umaakyat. Slowly but surely. And again, another parallel channel following the black line. More or less, yan po ang kanyang movement. Yan. So the cross came here on March. Mid-March. Actually, during March, slowly nag-cross na po siya. And then, it started moving up. So, kung support and resistance pa pag-uusapan natin, support is here at 330. or 329 or 330, yes, and 357 ang kanyang resistance. And if we'll take a look, yung kanina po nating pinag-usapan na Manila Electric Company, 429 po ang kanyang, or 438 ang kanyang target price, 23% pa po ang kanyang itataas, at napakalakas po ng MER ngayon, 347. Yan. So magandang investment po si MER dahil bukod sa capital appreciation, nagbibigay po yan ng dividendo. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Isa ng Agosto. By the way, 3rd year anniversary na po natin ngayon. Ano? Sa August 25, I think, yung ating anniversary. 3rd year na po tayo ngayon. At maraming po salamat sa inyong suporta. Ito po si Benji Chitoro. By the way, continue to pray for Mari. At matagal-tagal na rin po siyang may sakit. Maraming po salamat sa inyong prayer. And then there's another one here. Nakalimutan ko lang basahin. Sorry po, no? Raquel Robrigado, praying for you, ma'am. Sana po gumaling po kayo. Salamat po, Raquel. Maraming po salamat sa inyo. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsabaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.